Well, howdy, everybody. I'm a cowboy today. Oh my gosh, editor, please edit that out, and we're gonna start over, okay? Here we go. Me. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing really good. It's a little chilly outside right now. It is early morning. So we have plenty of time to do a Tinker video before I have to go outside and do real stuff. Anyway, first announcement. If anybody wants to become a channel member, you can click the join button and download any of the projects you see on this channel and print them right at home. Or if you just want to support the channel, that is also cool and very awesome. Guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited. We are doing my favorite thing ever. This is the third installment of Random Object Generator. Editor, I hope you put a cool little echo on there. Or made me sound really cool, probably. So if you guys haven't seen this before, once a month we're going to do a random object generator challenge. So we just go to Google and I just typed in random object generator, and this one's called the word finder. Right here you enter how many words you want and you hit this button and it'll give you a random word, and whatever it says we have to make it in Tinkercad. It's like the perfect training lesson. I think everybody should do this. You can follow along and do this one with me. So when we get our word, you could pause the video and design yours and then click play and see what I do with mine. Haha, or something. Or just watch me get mad because it's going to give me some really stupid stuff. And I usually just keep going until I get one that I like. Are we ready, guys? This is my favorite thing ever. Okay? 3, 2, 1, generate! That is the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Please cancel this video and unsubscribe. Oh. I am very, very mad. Just kidding. It'll be fine. Let's spend about 2 seconds on this. Maybe 2 minutes. Let's do 0.5 mil. Let's do SpongeBob's favorite color, beige. Does anybody know that? I have the same birthday as SpongeBob, so fun fact. July 13th. Oh, I just doxed myself. Okay, duplicate. Raise this stupid thing up. Let's tilt it a little bit. Do we want ours to be open? I want mine to look like it's flapping open a little. Like somebody was just snooping through my stuff and they were reading it. We got to make our movements a little smaller. We can do that right over here. So see, now we're moving at 1/10 of a millimeter each time we click. Okay, look, our folder is slightly open. Let's add a little tab on it. You know what we're also going to do? Watch this. See, we could try to figure out a creative way to get creatively. Okay, let's grab out one of these and shrink it down, and we're going to change this one to 0.1. Look at that, and we're going to change that one white. Look at that. We just made some paper to go in our folder. Okay, let's put some paper in there. These are my taxes. I'm going to send this to my tax guy. Okay, let's duplicate this again so it looks like... Wow, where'd it go? What is happening? Did you guys see it? I can't see it. Oh, whatever. Okay, there's 2 pieces of paper. That's how long my taxes are. They just say, one page says broke. The other one says next client. Okay, let's raise this up a little bit. Let's put a tab on here. We got a folder. Actually, this is not. You guys thought this was going to be stupid, didn't you? Okay, let's grab a big old square to make a tab. Let's shrink it down a lot. I don't have a lot of manila folders, so I don't... Here, watch us. See this radius bar? That'll give us a little curve-a-rooney. Okay. I mean, it's kind of stupid that... You know what? Let's get rid of that. Let's do something else. Let's use the sketch tool to add a tab. Ah, see? Grab the sketch tool, set it down where we want it, right about here. And see, we can easily add a curved tab like this. Do we want it straight up? Sure. And we got to complete the shape. There we go. And we can double click these to turn them to curves. That's an easy cheat. Oh my gosh. I didn't know they were going to bulge out all weird. We could just crank these in. I guess we just need a little curve. Is that stupid? I don't know. It's fine. Let's not overthink it. Okay, let's turn it to manila. Or beige, whatever. This is more manila. Okay, guys. Let's do 0.5. Okay, last step. We're going to add a white tag on here. So let's just duplicate it. Raise it up. Make it smaller. There we go. See, we're even though this was a stupid item, we are salvaging it, right? And then see, somebody labeled this because they're very smart. Here, grab the scribble feature, set it down on there. We're going to go ahead and write something important instructions to my lawyer. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, done. And let's shrink these down. See, this is fun. This is fun. I'm convinced this is fun, even though I'm a robot. I've only had one jar of coffee today, so please calm down. Don't come for me. Okay, oops. This person, probably drunk. Well, I guess if it was my lawyer, then yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, look it. Wait a minute, why are papers sticking through? Here, quick fix, otherwise I'll be mad. Okay, there we go, guys. Oh, shoot. Shoot. This is... Dang drunk lawyers. This was too thick. It was sticking through. Blam! We have our file. It looks like it's sticking through, but see, it's not. See this? There's no lines. It's just a little x-ray vision. There we go. My taxes are filed for the day. I have to do daily taxes. Okay, guys, are you guys ready for the next one? I think we did pretty good. I give us... Oh, yeah, we do a rating every time. Honestly, when it comes to folder, I'm actually going to give us a 7 because that was pretty good. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. That is not awful, to be honest. You know what I'm picturing already? I was first thinking like kitchen chair, but you know what? Why don't we make like an easy chair, like a recliner? Wouldn't that be kind of fun? Let's just do it. What color recliner do we want today? Let's do this weird purple. Okay, so let's make it all mostly out of cubes. Is that a cube? A box. So we're going to use these boxes, and let's crank up. You know what? I don't like the color. Let's go with this. My chair's brown. I am actually sitting in a giant comfy recliner right now. I Tinkercad on my 65-inch TV, guys, if anybody wonders. So I'm chilling in a recliner right now. Okay, let's crank the radius bar up because, see, it's going to give us this rounded, cushiony look, you know? I'm picturing this as one of the arms. So let's duplicate it. We need a top fatter cushion on the arm. Oh my god, it's slow. So let's go ahead. You can always grab this little black arrow to raise stuff too. Okay, let's stretch this to make it a little bigger. You see what I mean? Like, we need like a cushion on there. I'm going to crank the radius up even. Well, okay, let's take a look at it. That's fine. I like that. That's all good. So let's just duplicate that and slide it over. See, we're going to kind of speed run some of this stuff because I want to be able to do a bunch of them, you know? Am I recording? Okay, let's just keep building it, you know? Let's duplicate, flop it over. See, already that's cool because it's got that little foot thing that sticks out, you know? I mean, that flips up, which we do not have extended right now. Okay. There we go. And let's duplicate this again. Raise it up. Let's go back a little bit for some reason. Okay, good, 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 good. Oh, we're doing good, guys. Let's duplicate this bottom one again and flip it backwards. Let's raise it up. We can hit D also. Boop. And let's slide it back. Boop. Oh my gosh, this is easy. Do you guys want to start a recliner making company with me? Let's make this whole thing bigger. Oh my god, this is super easy. Why was that so easy? Oh my gosh, that's super easy. What the heck? Okay, let's just make a little handle on it. We'll call it done. This is what my chair looks like. Okay, grab the sketch tool, set it on the side where we want the handle, and I mean, this is going to be easy. Let's make a diamond shape and then a handle shape. Bam. Okay, let's select them all and turn them all into curves. And let's just fix it up a little bit. It's already not that bad. That's fine with me, guys. Let's pick up... Oh my god, it's huge. Well, to be honest, I mean, some are kind of long. Okay. We'll slide it in there. Bam. This one we could add a little, a little something you'll see here. There we go, guys. Okay, we earned an 8 on the chair. Maybe we could pick a better color. We got to have a lot of cool looking stuff for the thumbnail. I feel like the chair has to be brown, though. Maybe we'll get a colorful object next. So, all right, guys, here we go. Are you ready? And counting down from 47, 46, 45, 44. What is this pop-up? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, my gosh. It's so funny. Oh, my gosh. We've actually made 3 whistles on this channel, haven't we? We made the death whistle, the Aztec death whistle. We've made an ocarina, and I've made a Native American style flute. Would you guys be impressed if I could make an actual normal, like, coach blows a whistle that actually works? I don't know if I'm going to print any of this stuff. That's the thing. The reason for that is my printer is busy. I am printing a really cool project for us, guys. It's a 10-hour print at 300 millimeter per second. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's probably in the top 3 most detailed objects we've done on this channel. I think. It's definitely got like 500,000 polygons. It was hard to export. If you if you look close at any of these objects, any of these like polygons, like these shapes that make up the shapes, you have like, if you get too many of them, it really slows down. And yeah, I was probably at like a 500,000. Okay, guys. I should pay attention. Okay, are we really... Am I actually going to try to make a working whistle? Okay, let's think about it. What would this... Would this have to go up? Okay, so we'd have... Okay, let's hollow this. Let's hollow this part out that you blow into. What the heck's taking so long? Did you guys kill the internet? Oh, there we go. Let's hit transparent. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. This... The air's gonna come in right there. The air's got to get split. I think we got to move this drum. So let's ungroup it. Okay, we're going to have to flip this over. So we can work on the way the air comes. Okay. Let's cut a hole down in, because we got to split this air. This air that's coming out here. We just have to split it, and then we're done, guys. Watch and learn, or watch and don't learn. Or just watch. If it works, then, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so now the air is going to come out here. We want most of it to go down. We want some of it to... We got to split it. So let's grab another square. Wow, this is going to be pretty easy. Dude, it's only because we've done so many projects on this channel. That's what, like... That's what makes this kind of cool. We could just refer back to so many things that we've done. This is going to absolutely work. No doubt about it. Okay, we want to split it, but not too much. So the splitting edge you want kind of high up. So we'll probably have to do an undercut also. So let's look at it quick. Okay, so the air's going to come rushing out of there. We need some of it to hit. Okay. And then we're going to need another... We're going to need another one of them soon. Let's just go ahead and cut this first. Okay, so we're going to have our... See, the air's going to come out and hit this edge. Okay, there we go. So see, this edge is toward the top of this. I hope it's not too... I think that's perfect. It can be pretty high up, this edge, but now we have to undercut it because we want the rest of the air to come into here and go like this. And that's the sound it'll make. Okay, let's do an undercut and we're done, guys. And we just whistled while we worked. I hope the algorithm doesn't recognize that. Oh, I could whistle to Andy Griffith. I'll probably get a copyright strike, though. Or whatever. I don't know. Okay, guys, let's do some kind of undercut here. Let's just put this down and have a little looky look. See, like this, guys. Let me quick fix this up so it would be able to print let me just do a couple things here so I can, it might actually be able to print out easy. I'll be right back. Alrighty, there we go, guys. This is my finished whistle. Do you like it? I made this a little thinner because you want this air going really fast. So if this opening's too wide, it might not work. So I made that a little thinner. We got a nice split right here. Let's do transparent so we can see. Yep, so see, look, that other air's going to come in here and go like this. I would almost bet money that is going to be a working whistle. And look, the reason I did it like this, hit D to drop. I guess we could have, I wonder if that's going to print weird right there. I don't know. I think it's going to print the whistle part best if it's up on edge like this. So that's why I made this little stand for it. It's probably fine. I might print this just to mess around. Cool. Actually, wait, let's make it metal colored. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's as big as our chair. Let's make it smaller. But we don't want it real small or we won't be able to see it. It'll get lost in our cushions. That's cool. I don't know. That was kind of a fun little project. I do kind of want to try it out. Probably really loud and will hurt my ears. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Give me something good, everybody. Oh my gosh, that's actually pretty hard. Like, time consuming. Holy cow, a bicycle. Oh my gosh, that could take a while, guys. We just had to make a whistle. Gonna make a bicycle? This could take a while, guys. Oh my gosh, should I go put some more coffee on? Well, what do you think? Can we speed run it? No, probably not. Well, let's make 2 tires. I'm gonna have to do a time lapse of this one. Tube, how small can we make these tubes? Can we make a rim? Watch this. We'll have you watch a little bit. Because, you know, I want to hang out. Okay, let's duplicate it. Turn it to a hole. I'm going to hold Control Alt Shift and stretch it. We're going to make the rim. See, like this. That's not stupid. And we need to duplicate this. And select the cutout. Group it. There we go. Check this out now. We could turn, this middle one is the rim. Let's turn it into metal color. Isn't there an outer one too? Yeah, there is. What? Oh, wait, we turned the wrong one. Okay, hold on. Calm down. Okay, the rim's got to be metal. And this one, this outer one, let's turn black and make it a little smaller. Or skinnier or something. Watch. See? Oh my gosh. See, now we have a tire. Okay, I mean, we didn't need it that skinny, guys. See, we have a tire on a rim. How cool is that? Why is it so weird looking? Okay, there we go. There's our, I think it's pretty good, guys. We're not going to add tread to it because we just don't need to. Spokes, though. We're going to add spokes. Let's add a hub, if that's the right word. Boom. Okay, this is actually kind of fun. Okay, we got a little hub here. Let's duplicate it for some reason, and Okay, we're just going to kind of fake it till we make it. Okay, let's make spokes. Honestly, to save our how many shapes we're going to have, I'm going to keep this slide bar way down and see if that screws us up. Because I'm going to make this super skinny. You know? Here, we might as well just type in our measurements. Let's have it 0.2 by 0.2. Oh, I didn't do that. 0.2. There we go. Uh-oh. How am I going to select the... Oh, no. So, like, one like that, and then... Duplicate. And then see one like this, like that, you know? Why are they so far different on this? Do I have to drop these tires down? I think so. Yeah. There. Yeah, like this. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, now we can do some duplicating and repeating. So let's grab the two spokes and duplicate them and spin them a little bit. Let's do 5 degrees. No. 10? Let's do 10 degrees. Because that's a multiple of 360, so it should fit. Keep hitting duplicate. Well, maybe I lied. Why didn't it... I thought it was going to come right back around perfect. Dudes. Is that too many spokes? Spokesperson? Nah, it's good. Okay, let's duplicate it. We're going to move one. Should we just build the bike laying down like this? Wow, this is like a weird motorcycle. What do they look like if you stretch them? These are kind of like beefy, aren't they? Oh my gosh, I might actually have to look at a picture of a bike. Oh my gosh, this is going to take a while. Can I just take more parts? I think we're going to have to do a little time lapse. Okay, let's just jump into a time lapse because I got to build the rest of this bike. We already did the tires together, but this is going to take at least a half an hour. All right, let's do it. Oh my goodness, guys. Are you guys ready? La. Dude, why didn't you guys tell me that that wasn't going to be very fun? Wow. We got a very, very cool bike. That took forever. Honestly, that probably took an hour. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is a nice bike. Look, we got chain. Oh man, pedals. It's honestly, I do not blame anybody if you skip this one. That took a long time and it was hard. It was pretty hard. That wasn't a super beginner move. Let's see what it looks like up on its wheels. Holy cow, look at this. That's a beaut. Looks like my grandma would ride this. Actually, it doesn't have any brakes, but that's okay because I'm like a BMX stunt rider, so I don't use brakes. I just use extra pedals. Dude, this is cool. Okay, you know what? Let's lean it up against our, oh my gosh. There's no way to print this, by the way. It would not print. Them spokes wouldn't print. It's all overhangs. If anybody wants me to add this to the list and you try to print it, don't come for me when it doesn't work. Let's scale it to the chair. So it's a little too big. How big would it be if it's like a mountain bike, full-size bike? Would it be like that? And let's lean it up against the chair like this. Because we didn't make a kickstand. Wow, I can tell there's a lot of shapes because look, it was just glitching the whole program. I doubt this would even group, to be honest. That chain probably has... I bet that chain is way over 100,000 polygons. Maybe 200,000. Okay, guys, can we move on? That is really cool, though. I'm very proud of it. It just wasn't very fun. Let's do a fun one. I had more fun doing the folder. Okay, let's reset brain. Let's do another one, guys. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What if it says motorcycle? 3, 2, 1, go. Why is... Oh, my God. My brain stopped working for a second. Like, honestly, I was like, what's a snow globe? All right. All right, guys. That's a little better. Come on. Come on now. Let's make the base of a snow globe. That'll be easy. Okay. Sides. Boop. Let's make it a little... Let's see. Can we make it a little... Yeah, we can make it a little decorative like that. Let's do a dark, kind of like a wood... Wait, we have too many browns. They usually are wood colored, though, on the bottom, aren't they? Yeah, I mean... Too bad. We're doing dark brown. Okay, guys. Here's how we do it. Watch and learn. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, we got to make a little tiny scene inside. We are not going to spend much time on it. We've got to make a little scene. Okay, here's our house. What color is this house? Is it beige? This house is pink for some reason. Let's group this together. Okay. Let's cut a little front door just so it looks like a little bit of a house. Can you imagine you could do a super detailed model inside? What the heck's? Oh. Okay. So we got a little this is really an awful house, isn't it? After doing that bike, I'm just like, you know what? I just don't want to do it. I don't want to spend an hour. Okay, can we... Let's put a window over here. Okay, duplicate. Okay, good enough. I mean, probably shouldn't use the word good. Okay, there's a little house, okay? So let's go ahead and duplicate this. Let's pretend it's a little community. Like a weird community, like here. Okay. These looks like erasers, house erasers. Okay, there we go. Shrink it down. Okay. Bam. Let's make these some different colors. Okay, we want a light blue. We can do a yellow and kind of like it. There, that's fine. Why don't we do? Let's have it's like a should we have it be a little Christmas theme? So all the houses are around the big giant Christmas tree. Here, let's put tree trunk. Dude, we're speed running. And the quality will probably show. Okay. Put the trunk under there, turn it brown. Okay, there we go. And we need some snow. Let's raise this up a little bit. Here, watch this. We'll just duplicate this whole thing. Make it smaller. Turn it white. Raise it up. See? Just like that. Now we'll just align it. Okay. We got our snow for our snow globe. See, this is not... For speed running, this is good. Here, let's do a snowman. That'll take 1 minute. Not even, probably. Turn it white. And to do a snowman, we just hit duplicate. Raise it up. Shrink it down. And hit duplicate one more time. There we go. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and yeah, that's good. Okay, let's make a dome. Okay, so let's see what kind of dome. We got to make a clear dome, which would not print, but you know. My printer's busy anyway. We're not going to print any of this. This is for fun. Actually, this one's fun compared to the bike, so I'm not complaining. That bike just kind of burnt me out. Holy cow. Did you see that? Maybe nobody's watching. Do I want it so whack? Or should we do it like this and drop it down? I think we'll do it like that. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate it. Drop it down a little bit. I got to be able to see in here. So let's turn this transparent. And then we're going to... Yeah, we got to cut a little shell here. Okay, let's just cut this off separately. We don't have to group the whole thing. There! Guys, would you live in there? There's not a lot of air. There's finite amounts of air. That is actually a really cool snow globe. Too bad they didn't have a coffee table. Coffee table would have been cool to set our snow globe on. You know what? I don't want it real small because I want to be able to see this thing because that thing's cool. That didn't take us very long either. What's funny is it doesn't look that, you know, I don't know. That only took like not even 10 minutes. Should we go in there? There we go. Have you ever been in a snow globe? See, and if you took your time, well, you know what you should do if you're at like a resale or something? Get the glass dome or plastic dome. No, it's glass. Get the glass dome from like a used one and take it apart and print the whole thing, print the rest of it, and then silicone it on, you know? Fill it up with water and whatever snow whatever snow they put in there. Guys, I think I'm about out of time, but you talked me into it. We're doing one more. Even if it's super simple, it's going to be the last one, guys. Let's quick check what we got. We got a folder. We got a bike. Well, you can see what we got. We have a chair. We got a whistle. And we got our beautiful snow globe. Wow. I mean, I still say the bike is my favorite so far because it was so... It's a nice model. But the snow globe is actually pretty good. That is a 9 on a snow globe and a 9 on the bike. Okay, here we go, guys. One more time. All right, this time we're going to count down from 1. 1. We've already gotten that one. We get to pick another one. We've done the bar of soap, guys. That is a very easy one. We may that was in the last one we did. Okay. Count down, count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's a good one for the end. Should we do like a retro? Should we speed run it? Should we just do like a retro radio? What I'm picturing is, yeah, let's just kind of speed run it. Let's do, let's just do gray like this for now so we can, you know, see what's happening. I'm just gonna do some stuff to add little details. So see, I just duplicated that and raised it up. Okay, good. So the whole thing can crush down a little. Yeah, we should make a retro one because I think that'd be cool. Okay, let's add a whole bunch of buttons. Okay, there we go. We got some buttons there. I feel like... I don't know what I feel like. I feel like there should be some kind of panel here. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like a tilted up thing. Like for some of the screen. Not that that had much of a screen, but... Yeah, maybe something like this. Oh, I mean... Well, maybe not. Maybe like a short... Here, let's have the screen be over here. Because maybe this should be like a CD player... Let's pretend the CD goes in the top. Okay, there we go. This is the part that flips up with the CD in it. And there's got to be some buttons over here, too. Here, let's just grab a few of these buttons. Duplicate. Let's make them different, so see, we'll stretch them. Why not, right? Okay, and let's grab some more. Here, let's pretend there's a little equalizer or something over here with really small little adjust buttons. Okay, there we go. Look at the top. This is getting good, guys. Okay, let me do a little speed up so this doesn't take forever for you guys, and we'll be right back. Oh my goodness, guys. There we go. This is actually super cool. Look, we got a big old antenna sticking up, and when you fold it down, look, it's even got the little recessed area where it stores away. We got the CD player on the top. We have a cup holder. I don't know what that is. Here's the LED screen. LCD screen? LED? I don't know. As you notice, there's no speaker covers. I wanted to be able to see the speakers. I don't mind if somebody, if they don't like the song, they can kick the speaker. Here's the double tape deck. So that's very cool. And we got our buttons to control the tape deck. And there we go. I guess it doesn't have a handle, but that's okay. Awesome. Here, let's shrink this down a little because this is pretty big. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, I'll have to... Well, I guess I don't really show this stuff in the thumbnail because it's a mystery. But let's, oops. Wow, I thought I grouped some of that. This thing's actually got a pretty lot of parts, too. So, here, let's just set it over here by our other stuff. Let's take one last look at our stuff. I'd say the radio, that's definitely like a, maybe even a 7 or 8 rating. Pretty good for a quick kind of a speed run radio. Is that what it was called? The radio, right? Yeah, radio. Boombox. We called them boomboxes when I was little. There we go, guys. Once again, this was a fun one. Let me turn this to, because it's random. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only got through 6 this time, and let me see how long I've been recording. 2 hours and 23 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, you know what? I'll add the whistle. If somebody wants to test the whistle out, I probably will too. Maybe I'll test it first and then add it to the list if any members want to print it. I guess I could add some of this other stuff. This is more just for practice. I don't think anybody will be printing this folder. But if there's a specific thing here that you'd like to try to print, I can add it to the list. Maybe I'll add some of these items to the list, but some just won't print really. Like the snow globe, you can't print that clear dome. The bike will not print, but I could add the chair and the radio and the whistle. And there we go, guys. Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Actually, the next one's printing right now. Don't miss it. It's going to be good. All right, let's go inside of our house. Bye-bye.